Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to access phpMyAdmin for your WordPress website on Amazon Lightsail. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a tunnel. In the description of this video, I did include a link to my website that'll take you to an article with the command that you will need in order to create a tunnel. So if you're using Windows, you'll want to open up PowerShell, or on a Mac, open the terminal. Since I'm on Windows, I'm going to go ahead and open up Windows PowerShell. And then once I have PowerShell opened, we're just going to copy and paste this command right here in step 2. We're going to copy this and paste it right here into PowerShell. Now, before you push enter, there's just a couple of changes that we need to make. We will need our PEM file, or basically the SSH key from Amazon. So if you haven't already downloaded your PEM file, you'll want to go into your Amazon instance, go to the Connect tab, scroll all the way down here where it says download SSH key or download default key. You're just going to download this to your computer. I've already downloaded this file to my downloads folder, so I've already completed this step. So all we need to do in PowerShell is update this little bit of text right here to the exact path of where this file is located. So I have it right here in my downloads folder, and the name of the PEM file is dev_manzeri. So what I'm going to do is just change the name of the file to be dev_manzeri.pem, and then we're just going to fix this path right here, put my name, so this will represent the exact path where my PEM file is on my computer. And then all the way at the end, right after the word Bitnami, you want to put the IP address of your server. So if you're in AWS, right at the very top, it's going to say static IP address. If you're logged into your instance, you're just going to copy this IP address right here into the terminal and then push enter. And then once you push enter, this will basically create the connection that you will need. So we'll leave this running just the way it is. We'll go back to my website, go to step 3, and we're going to copy this local host URL right here. We're just going to copy that and paste it into a new tab. And right here, you'll see your phpMyAdmin page. And then all we need to do now is log in with our database username and password. If you don't know what your database username and password is, you can find that out very easily by opening up the WP config file. So in AWS Lightsail, we can go right into our file through SSH to get the username and password. So I'll show you how to do that. If we go back to PowerShell or your terminal, we're going to just copy this exact path right here. Open up another tab in your terminal, and we'll paste it in here. And then we're just going to delete out everything before Bitnami right up to the path of our PEM file, just like this. Push enter, and this will take you right into your AWS instance. So now you're logged into your server. So now all we need to do is navigate to where our WP configuration file is. So what I'll do is I'll use the cat command to print out everything that's in that file to the terminal. So we'll put in cat. The name of the folder that we're going to go into is OPT, Bitnami, WordPress, and then the name of the file is wp-config.php. Push enter, and then this is going to spit out everything that's in that file right here into your terminal. So if we scroll up a little bit, or let's go back down right here, you're going to see the database username and the password right here. So we're going to copy this username right here, everything right in between the quotes. We'll copy that and we'll paste it right here into the box that says username. And then same thing for the password. We'll copy this password right here. It's a really long one. Copy that, paste that right here, push login, and now we are logged in to phpMyAdmin. And now you have access to all your WordPress tables right here. And then once you are done with this, all you need to do is close out the tab. As soon as you close this out and you try to refresh your page, you'll see that you no longer have access because you've closed the connection. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more videos.